The drugstore can be the most overwhelming place ever, and Sephora is literally even worse. There are so many options for everything. Where do you even begin? If you're new here, hi, my name is Gabby and welcome to Glam Girl Gabby, where I teach you simple tips and tricks that will have you feeling as gorgeous on the outside as you do on the inside. Today we're gonna be talking all about lipstick formulations, because how do you know what to choose when there are so many? I'm gonna be showing you each formulation on my beautiful model Linda, who is in her 70s and fabulous. And I'm also going to be showing you each formulation on myself, because Linda has thinner lips and she's over 60, and I have fuller lips and I'm under 40. So it's gonna be nice to be able to visualize the differences in the formulations on different people of different ages with different genetics. Let's go. The first formula that I want to talk about is the Tinted Lip Balm. If you are prone to having dry or chapped lips and you often reach for a lip balm anyways, getting a tinted lip balm may be an excellent option for you, because you get a subtle flush of color and you get hydration in one. If you are the type of person who is super natural, this is a very easy way to add a pop of color to your face during those like no makeup days. It's not fussy, it's really not too much, even if the rest of your face is completely bare. The downfall of a product like this is that it doesn't last a long time at all, and you will have to reapply it repeatedly throughout the day. So where you benefit in like the moisture and natural department, you do have a downfall in the longevity of wear department. These types of lipsticks also transfer very easily on everything. This is how it looks on Linda, and this is how it looks on me. Keep a tally, because in the comments I want to know which one is your favorite on her and which one is your favorite on me. Lipstick Formula 2 is the matte finish lipstick. Now, if you're looking for a lipstick that provides you with much longer wear, then a matte lipstick is a great option for that. They are super saturated in their color and they leave the lips with like a flat appearance that has no sheen to it whatsoever. Even though it still transfers, it transfers significantly less than a moisture-rich lipstick does. So what are the cons to this? It doesn't transfer, it's saturated, it's long wear. What are the cons, right? Well, the most obvious downfall is that this texture can be uncomfortable for you because it's very drying. It just doesn't have that like moist, buttery feeling that most people crave on their lips. Another big downfall is that if you have smaller lips, it can make the lips look much smaller. A moist appearance highlights the area and draws things forward, and a matte appearance creates like a contour effect and recedes things back, therefore making already small lips look smaller. If you've watched any of my videos on mature makeup application, you'll probably have noticed that I always talk about infusing radiance into every step of your routine. Matte lipsticks, because they are drying, they do have a tendency of making lips and the skin around the lips appear older. This is how it looks on Linda, and this is how it looks on me. If you like the idea of a tinted balm, but the pigment and the staying power of the matte, then you can opt for a lipstick that marries the two of them together, and that is the cream finish lipstick. This is my favorite lipstick formula because it has the highlighting effect of the balm, the moisture of the balm with the extended wear time, and the pigment of the matte. Of all the lipsticks I looked up, this one had the highest reviews, and I think it's just because most people look very attractive in a cream formula. It's a little bit foolproof. It really does suit pretty much everyone. It doesn't age the face, it doesn't age the lips, it doesn't transfer that much, a little bit, but not nearly as much as like a balm does. So what do you think about this one? Do you love it as much as we do? If you're very attracted to a wet or a glass-like finish on the lips, then a gloss could be an excellent option for you. Glosses come in a variety of formulations with different pigment levels, from sheer to opaque. Glosses have the lowest staying power out of all the lip makeup options. It's very easily transferred. It gets on everything, but it is beautiful and it can be used as a layering product. So for example, you can use a matte lipstick for its long wearing feature, and then you can dab a little bit of gloss to the center of the bottom lip or to the cupid's bow just to kind of elevate it. I almost never use a gloss on its own. I almost always use it as a layering product. But if you're more of like a natural girl that just wants a wash of color that's dewy and that's really pretty, then this could be a great option for you. This is how it looks side by side on us. The next option that is great that a lot of people don't know about is a longwear stain with a balm. This is how it works. You use the colored side to carefully outline and fill the lip in perfectly, and then you let it dry. Once it's dry, you go over it with the balmy side. It ends up looking just like a cream lipstick, but with zero transfer. A longwear lip color like this could last you an entire day, which is absolutely amazing. So what are the downfalls, right? It's a lot of pros. You're like, what are the there's gotta be a downfall. There is, like anything else. If you're not good at makeup, it can be a bit tricky because you need extreme precision since it's super opaque, and when it's on, it's on. It's not easy to correct a mistake with this type of lipstick, and I've seen it go wrong a lot on women who aren't good at makeup because they don't get the precision in the lip line right or well enough, and it can make your lips look a little bit wonky, and then it's hard to correct it. You know what I mean? Like it's there, it's on, that's it, wonky lips all day. In terms of wear, if you don't reapply the balm often, it will dry itself out and crackle on the lips. The next thing that I don't love about it is that lipsticks like this tend to wear out in the moist areas first, so like right in here, and they're really difficult to touch up because they're hard to remove. So if you're home and you have like an oily makeup remover on hand, it's fine. You can just take it off and put it back on. But if you're out and about and you can't wipe it off, you can't reapply it, the mistake's just gonna be there. It's kind of hard to correct, when you don't have makeup remover on hand. That's a huge pain. Even with these downfalls though, in my opinion, the benefits far outweigh the cons. So try it out for yourself if you're intrigued. Nothing is perfect, unfortunately, but this one comes pretty darn close. It comes pretty darn close to being perfect. I've left a list of every lipstick used with this color in the description box if you're interested. This video's over.